New York out 20 nautical miles. South shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 7:45 a.m. At 7:14 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy showers capable of producing winds to 40 knots near the Great Salt Bay, and also south of Morich's Inlet, moving northeast at 35 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York; Fire Island Inlet, New York to Morich's Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles; and Morich's Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. Here is the forecast for the KWO 35 listening area.
Well, that scared me.
With the